Anyway, welcome to my channel, Frugal with John. I named it Frugal because I don't like wasting money. I also don't like being cheap. You buy cheap sometimes. Things don't last and you have to rebuy it. You're not satisfied with it. Buying the most expensive, sometimes not the best option either. It can also break. Being frugal is doing your research before you buy anything. And also doing a lot of stuff yourself. Save money. My channel, Frugal with John, is going to be based on doing a lot of stuff yourself. Do it yourself. DIY, if you want to call it that. I'll be walking you through how to repair cars, lawnmowers, lawn tractors, any basically small engine. I'll go step by step. I'm fairly strong on automotive mechanical work. I was a mechanic for a number of years. I'm also going to be showing you how to save money on basic household repairs. Things break, toilet doesn't work, replace the entire toilet or just fix a leak, sink, if something breaks on that, be doing that. Also some home improvements. I'm in the midst of a renovation in here. I'm going to be doing drywall work, taping, sanding, painting. I'm looking at it here. Electrical, lighting, hardwood floors. I'll be putting those down, and we'll be taking videos of it all and showing you guys. You can share with me. And you may also learn how to do it yourself and save yourself some money instead of hiring somebody to do it. A lot of the stuff, if you take it step by step, it's easy. What I don't know, I learn. I don't like hiring people to do stuff I can do myself. I've always been that way. Anyway, we're going to take you through where some of my videos are going to be taken. So from here, we'll move outside for a bit, and then we'll move into my garage. Plant one. Most of the work, or most of my videos, will be taking place in here. This is some of the stuff I accumulated. I haven't purchased any of this stuff. This was all broken and I repaired. In my entire life, I've never bought a lawnmower. Or should I say, I never bought a lawnmower in my entire life. My first one I've ever got was sitting in a field somewhere on a farm. It was there for ages. I found a used blade for it because the blade was bad. New spark plug, cleaned the carburetor, and I used it for years. And eventually I sold it for $20. And I got rid of that years ago. But generator over here, that was broken. It works perfect now. It's a good backup. I've used it on a couple of occasions when we had an ice storm and we lost our power. Pressure washer. I did have to spend money on that. I had to put a new hose on it and also clean the carburetor. And it works perfect. I've been using it ever since. Actually, I gave away my electric one to my neighbor. I had no more use for it. I like this one better. More convenient. Anyway, but I have a mid-hoist over here where I work on cars. I do a lot of, basically all my automotive repair in here. I will have a Jeep come in soon. Upper and lower control arms, lift kit. It's a diesel. There's a problem with one of the modules. I've got to run it on the computer and find out whether it's electrical or the module itself's gone. We'll be going through that. I've got a car coming in, small work in the car, but we'll be going through simple oil changes just to help you do stuff yourself. Save money. Be frugal. Subscribe, hit the bell, and if you liked it, hit the like button. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down. Either one. Apparently they're both good, from what I hear. I'm new on YouTube. Thanks for joining my channel. Bye for now. Okay.